time, in your time, you make all this beautiful in your time. Lord, my life to you I bring, each song I come to sing. To you, Lord, lovely thing, in your time. To you, lovely thing, in your time. Happy New Year sa lahat. Ito guys, matapos ang putukan kagabi. Kaya ngayon, luluto ako ng maaga ng sabaw. Hihigop tayo guys. Ayan, 3 piraso lang. Tag-iisa lang kami. Tipid. Ayan. Tipid tips. Bisaya version again. Dahil tanlad is real. Ayan, ayan, may tanlad. Nilagyan ko siya ng tanlad, kamatis, sibuyas, sili. In his time. Asin. His born in his time. Lord, please show me every day. Tapos guys, ito lang talbos ang halo ko, kulay pula. Dahil yung ibang gulay ngayong nagtitinda hindi pa kagandahan, kaya ito lang napili ko, ang talbos. Yung malunggay hindi kagandahan, kaya ayaw kong magmalunggay, talbos lang muna. Yan. Tatakpan muna natin para maluto ang isda. Mamaya ng konti ang gulay. Ilis natin ang apoy kasi medyo taas. This song I have to sing, be to you a lovely thing in your time. Ang cute ng singer namin, no? Ang cute ng singer namin ng year 2025. Ang cute talaga. Sana all my guitar. Salamat, Panginoon. Ayan. Slowly every day. Titikman natin. Wala akong ibang halong iba. Asin lang siya guys kasi masarap ang asin. Kailangan i-ano pa siya, ipaluto-luto. Nakasan natin again para mawala ang lansa. It's beautiful in your time. Lord, my life to you I bring. Each song I have to sing. To you a lovely thing in your time. To you a lovely thing in your time. Bye-bye and God bless lahat. Ayan na. Ilalagay ko na ang talbos. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Thank you sa biyaya.